initiated the community kitchen. Deg Chalayi. Degh is an open-mouthed, large cooking vessel in which huge quantity of food is cooked. In Sikh Faith, there has been evolution of the concept of spiritual food of Guru's Shabad, that is, the divine word, and simultaneously the free community kitchen to serve the delicious meals. Guruji began with the doctrine of langar and pangat, community kitchen, to be savored by all sitting in rows, to repudiate the misbelief of the practice of untouchability, and thus set forth the concept of social equality. The tradition of langar was begun by Guru Nanak himself. He used to take deep interest in welfare of humanity. So, his total produce from the fields used to be utilized in langar. Guru Angad Dev Ji promoted the tradition of langar further. His wife, Mata Khivi Ji, used to take particular interest in langar. During the time of Guru Ardaas Ji, there used to be a directive of community dining first and then congregation. This tradition concretized the concept of food sharing, community feeling, equality, brotherhood, and unbiased help to the needy ones in Sikh Panth, and the same is being practiced devotionally till date. Because of this concept, the unique identity of the Sikhs is being established the world over. In all the interfaith events, langar is always served by the Sikhs. Furthermore, wherever there is a natural disaster, it is the Sikhs who take care of the helpless and needy through this community kitchen. Those who upheld this unique ideal in practice, we remember and invoke all in our daily formal prayer.